Hi, I'm Tracy Walls, and I would like to take a couple minutes to go over the INE On-Demand course, Azure Security Protecting the Platform. I'm going to run through the 4 topic areas that we have for this course and just try to give you a feel for what's in it. So let's go ahead and jump right in. The first topic area is implementing network security. In this topic area, we're going to talk about virtual network connectivity, different options for that, how to manage remote access. We're also going to take a look at some remote access and network control features such as Azure Front Door Service and the Azure Firewall, as well as actual firewall appliances that are available within the Azure environment as well. And we'll also look at network security groups and application security groups and understand what they are and how they work together. Next, we're going to talk about host security. And with host security, we're really pretty much just talking about specifically virtual machine security. What are the options we have at the virtual machine level and also at the networking level to really protect our virtual machines? The next topic that we're going to take a look at is container security. And we're going to take a look at container security overall. And we're talking about, you may be familiar with Docker, that's the kind of containers we're talking about. We'll also look at Azure Kubernetes services and security for that. And finally, we'll talk about Azure Container Registry. So really a pretty wide range of security related to containers. And lastly, we're going to take a look at overall Azure Resource Management security. So we'll talk about role-based access control, what that is, how it's implemented. We'll also look at policies and initiatives and understand what they do and also how they work with role-based access control. We'll take a look at Azure Blueprints, understand what they are, as well as resource locks, that really basic element that has protected my resources on multiple occasions, I'm sad to say. Well, anyways, that's what we have in this course, and I hope you'll come on over to INE.com and join me for it.